Hi everyone, it's Prepper What Colleen. How are y'all doing today? Oh my gosh, it was raining all day and I couldn't take it. I had to do something. So what I did today is I have a pantry that is totally crazy, and there's a calendar, keeps me up to date. And anyway, I was just going through and trying to figure out where am I gonna put all my stuff. Oh my gosh, it was piled high. So I've got stage one done of trying to get my initial pantry going. I've been working on it for a while. It takes a while. And then I hate the rain. It's great for Mother Earth so that we can have stuff that grows, but it definitely can inhibit what you're doing outside. It can be challenging. That's what it is challenging. But anyway, I'm starting to get all my canned goods and get some long-term foods. It's going to take a while. And then I've also been trying to decrease my electricity by doing some more washing at home and more hand washing and then just hanging it up to dry. I do have to say that I love coffee, and coffee makes the world go around. So I'm getting lots of coffee over there, and then I'm starting to get my canning stuff so I can have my canning stuff done, and then just kind of working on it. So that's really about it. I got my Berkey. I'm gonna see if I can move over here. It's in the box and I'm gonna be getting it out. It is right there is my Berkey. It's totally awesome, and I will try to get stuff done and just keep doing it, keep moving, keep doing what you can. I'm just trying to get the room done. It's gonna take a while, but we can get it. All right, you have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.